whichever marine propulsion system you have on your boat, you want to maintain it properly. One little tip I like is I like to use high-performance synthetic lubricants. Now, of course, you can't go wrong with the manufacturer recommended, the manufacturer branded gear oils and motor oils in your product, of course. But I use a company, I have no affiliation with them. There's a company called Redline Oil that produces ultra high performance synthetic lubricants, motor oils, gear lubricants, everything you need for just about every marine engine on the market. You can give them a call and they'll help you select the products. But I'm a big fan. They work very well even with a little bit of water contamination, and they really, really protect both your gearing and the internals of your internal combustion engine. The other thing that applies also to any of these marine propulsion systems is you can often dramatically improve the performance of your boat, especially the way you like to use your boat, by optimizing the propeller.